My strength, my soul, is cornerstone, is solid ground. From whom fiercest drought and storm, or heights of love, or depths of peace, when fears are still, when smiling seas, my Comforter, my all in all, here in the love of Christ I stand. To confess, fullness of God in boundless peace, His gift of love and righteousness, strong like the words we came to sing. On the cross, where Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied. For every sin on Him was laid. Here in the death of Christ I live. In the ground His body lay. Light of the world, my God, this way. And mercy flow in glorious day. Out from the grave He rose again. And as He stands in victory, since verses lost its grip on me. For I am His, and He is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. No guilt in life, no fear in death. This is the power of Christ in me. From Lazarus' cry to final breath, Jesus commands my destiny. No power of hell, no scheme of man can ever bound me from His hand. Till He returns, what calls me home, here in the